When using the device, you might face some problems. In order to avoid them, we have gathered for you the most common cases for troubleshooting. It might occur that your client does not perceive any impulses after launching the training program. One of the reasons could be that you have not watered thoroughly the electrodes. In this case, you vainly start the session, it will not be able to achieve the maximum effect. Therefore, to avoid the above, it is important after watering the electrodes to check water stains they leave on the underwear, as you see in the pictures. However, this can be only one source of the problem. It might also happen that you have not connected the spiral cable properly to the head. Or the connector to the suit. That is why it is important to make sure that you press from both sides the connector and fit together both ends in the right angle precisely. Besides all this, it may also happen that you have not pressed the start button when launching the training or the main controller switched to 0. It is important to know that once you have set the main controller and pushed the start button, all main muscle groups also still need to be set. If all the above problems have been solved and the device still does not work, please contact your local distributor. Should your client partially not perceive impulses, it might be the case that you have not chosen the right suit size. Size XS fits clients between 45 to 60 kilograms, S is for clients between 55 to 80 kilograms, M is for clients between 75 to 95 kilograms, and L is for clients between 90 to 150 kilograms. Besides suit sizes, it also might occur that you have not watered the electrodes properly. In order to achieve the best results, you need to do watering electrodes thoroughly so that they would leave water stains on the underwear, just as shown in the pictures. Another problem might be that the electrode of the respective body part is unfastened. Please fasten the snap back to its place. You might experience that the suit connector is not connected firmly to the spiral cable, so please check the connector's head. That is why it is important to make sure that you press from both sides the connector and fit together both ends in the right angle precisely. If all the above issues were checked or solved and the client still does not perceive impulse on certain body parts, we suggest that you contact your local distributor. If you are unable to gain access to the admin surface, first please check if you have typed in the right password. If you have forgotten your password, you need to contact your local distributor. You must, however, know that this also will cause the loss of data on your device. Therefore, we strongly recommend you to keep the password of your device. If the touchscreen does not work, you must do the following. First, restart the device. If you cannot restart it, then switch it off by pushing the start button for a longer period of time. Afterwards, you need to update the program. Place the pen drive into the device and switch it on. If it still fails to work, please contact your local distributor. It may happen that you cannot pull up the zip on the vest. Please do not force it, but loosen the side belts on both sides. Also, the vest might rumple when you're putting it on. This might happen because you have fastened the belts in the wrong order. Please mind to fasten the belts from bottom up and only at the end fasten the shoulder belts. If you do not pay enough attention to pull the belts on the sides with the same tightness, then your vest might be asymmetric. So we suggest you to, when going from bottom up, to fasten the side belts simultaneously. Remember, suit must not be washed with cables and electrodes in. Once you have removed them, you can wash the suit on a delicate program at 30 degrees centigrade without using softener. Thank you for your attention. We hope that our reminder was useful for you and could serve you to solve your problems or find ways for troubleshooting. Wishing you great training.